Hello everyone and welcome. How are you all doing today? I hope you're all doing fine. Stepped out to go to the store for a minute and yeah, this is quite a storm. Let me show you guys how it's looking right now. Okay. Let me give you an indication right over here on my neighbor's van. Yep. And I have to be stepping carefully. Look at that. It's the top of the tire. There's a patch of black ice in front of me. I'm gonna practice safety first, and I'm gonna turn off the camera, and I'll talk to you guys real soon, okay? Got what I was gonna get, and that was 2 gallons of milk, and I'm gonna head back upstairs. We're gonna go back outside, and this is a little casual look I'm sporting for today. Comfortable and casual, as always. So let's hit the streets. I'll be recording out there, and yeah, let's do this. Dollar Tree's coming soon on Friday, 29th at 8 in the morning. And yep, that was deals. On Friday it'll be Dollar Tree, and there goes the dumpster they used. Look at that. They threw out a lot of stuff. They threw a lot of good stuff out in the dumpster. I asked if I could pick up the flowers that had fallen on the ground. I don't know if they fell out the dumpster or they just tossed them there. And they told me I could take them. It's 3 bundles. Baby blue, purple, and pink. Hot pink. Today's not a bad day. You know what? We're gonna go to Dollar Tree.
Away from the platform edge.
And here comes our train. Yay!
I'm addicted to it, I know I am. No. And nothing for like Angela Simmons. Boy, I got a crush on Angela Simmons. They like, damn, got it.
Wrong track. Wrong track. You give away $100 right now, easy chance. So $20 or less than cost.
No, they're going to start taking it out after 30 days. That's it.
We are here in Dollar Tree. They have these Norman Rockwell jigsaw puzzles now. They have that one. There's 4 that I saw. And that one there. I went to the museum in Massachusetts a few years back, so yeah, very interesting. These are very nice. And if you go to the Norman Rockwell Museum in Massachusetts, wow, something like this can run you a pretty penny. So for $1, that's an awesome buy. Norman Rockwell, if you're not familiar, he's a famous artist, and his museum up there in Massachusetts is awesome. Had a great time up there. And they have these like chalkboard boards. This one is bling, and that one says pretty, has a shoe, animal print, and this one says glam. And they have this one. It says diva with a like coin purse. These are pop-up Sesame Street books. That's awesome. You still have the glow-in-the-dark stickers. The candy ones. Martians, spacemen. And little vehicles and boats and stuff. Looking at these new stickers. I never saw these before. Oh, my favorite animal, the tiger. Oh, wow. It's like pictures. They're beautiful. Wow. Look at fish. Oh, it's holographic. Can you see that? Wait a minute. I wonder if they're all holographic like that. That is so cool. Yes, they are. Tiger, lion. Oh, wow. So cool. I love anything paisley pink. They have them in blue, too. Yeah, so far I've seen everything you guys have shared. And a few things that I hadn't seen before. I saw those. I still have these for people that have difficulty keeping track of their paying their bills and stuff. That's good. It's a good idea. Disney markers, princesses, Ninja Turtles, Frozen. These are nice to decorate a room with. These borders. Very pretty. Different kinds. It's cute. Oh wow, I've not seen this. Sweethearts, color your own. How do they propose you do that? Okie dokie. Oh, they got the Star Wars bags. So nice. They're the same, no they're not. Cool. Highlights. Those books have super word searches, match it puzzles, and silly picture puzzles. Yeah, practically grew up on this stuff. Highlights. On the hair gems here. Brings 48 pieces of different colors. It's enough of the Dollar Tree. They had a lot of stuff, new stuff. I didn't get to record because I was on the phone while I was shopping. So that's it. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, my friends. Until next time, may you all stay blessed, beautiful, and ciao.